What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing a Squid Game guard as Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the head. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Let's start with the left side. Go all the way around. Come down and then bend that back in towards the center. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Going all the way around. Come down. I'm just going to make our way back in towards the middle. Now I want to draw a smaller circle along the inside, but I'm going to pull it all the way down towards the bottom. So let's start down here, going all the way around, go up in the middle, come down the right side, and then eventually back in towards the bottom. Let's add a seam. Starting on the left side, we're going to come down, and then bend that up. Let's go to the center and draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to add a triangle in the center of the head. Let's start in the very top in the middle. Let's start with a point. Triangle down and out toward the left side. Go back up to the top, come down and out towards the right. Now I want to connect the ends with a slight curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's trace this triangle along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down. We're going to overlap the gun on top of the body. So starting over on the left side, let's draw a circle for the hand. All the way around, and then back up. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw that same size circle on the right, but I'm going to lift this up a little bit higher. So we'll start up here, coming down, and then back up. In the center of the left hand, draw a straight line going across. Let's continue this out on the left side. Now I'm going to go all the way up toward the top, and I'll stretch this all the way across towards the right, extending past the hand. Let's flatten off the end with a short line, and then bring this back in. Now I'm going to add some more detail. On the back side, let's add a seam coming down. Let's add a little rectangle in the center. Let's close off the cap on the end. Along the top, we're going to add a sight with a small square. Let's go in between the hands on the left side, coming down and then out. Flatten off the end. I'm going to follow that same curve going back up underneath. Let's add the handle underneath the hand. We're going to come down, go across, and then back up. Let's add the shoulder brace. From this top corner, I'm going to step out, come down, and then bend that out, go back up to the top, flatten this off, come down, and then bend that out. Let's connect these two pieces with two lines. Now we're going to layer the body in behind. Let's start underneath the head on the left. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming down, in behind, continue down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing, going in behind, continue down towards the same height. Now I'll flatten this off with a straight line, and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Squid Game guard from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.